Okay, y'all, I'm 70% into Funny Story by Emily Henry. This is my first Emily Henry book, and quick thoughts. I just love it. I think the writing is witty, it's funny, good character development. It also expands beyond them and addresses all of the characters and their lives. There's a lot of dimension on top of the character development, so I really like that. It's given kind of like Grumpy Sunshine dynamic, friends to lovers. It's been a really fun read. I am very curious to look into more of Emily Henry's books. The writing is really smooth. Hopefully once I finish this, I will follow up with a review and final thoughts on Funny Story. Quick update, I am about 40% into The Perfect Marriage. I started this yesterday, and it's an incredibly quick read. This is following Sarah Morgan, who is a high-profile defense attorney in Washington, D.C. Very successful, just named partner in her firm. And she's married to Adam Morgan, who is a writer struggling in his own field. And he's resentful towards Sarah because she doesn't have as much time in their relationship. She's more career driven. That's what led her to be as successful as she is. He has never felt like he's matched that success. The couple have a getaway lake house that Adam usually goes to. You find out that he is actually seeing someone, and they're having this affair in this like lake house that's about an hour away from where they live. But then the mistress turns up dead in this lake house. And so now, if you can guess where it's going, Sarah, who is this defense attorney, is taking on Adam as her client for this case where Adam is looked at as the number one suspect for his mistress's murder. Everyone's a suspect. It feels like an incredibly quick read. I had not read anything by Geneva Rose. I picked it up back in September, so excited to knock this out and get it off of my TBR, but we'll definitely keep y'all posted on this one.
Chapter 8.
Okay, y'all, so I wanted to pop in with a quick update. I have been spending most of the day reading this book, and I'm about 50% into the book. It's interesting. I mean, obviously my opinion can change, but I will say I had really high hopes for this one. And out of the series, there's 3 books in the series. I've started with Part of Your World, and then I did Yours Truly. Really enjoyed Part of Your World, and then I feel like I enjoyed Yours Truly even more. I just had a really good time with both of them, but there was something about Yours Truly that I really, really loved. And then this one just feels a little slower paced. Of course I'm gonna finish this. It's a very easy read. There are moments that I'm really enjoying, but I was expecting a little bit more, and I've heard so many really good things about it. I just wanted to pop in with a midway update, and I'm hoping to finish this within the next day or so. I will keep y'all posted on my final thoughts with this one.